Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to grow strawberries from store-bought strawberries. You're going to slice the skin off of the strawberry and turn it into a puree like this. You're going to add some water, and whatever seeds sink to the bottom are the viable seeds, meaning they will actually grow into a strawberry plant. You're going to keep those seeds. You can also keep the skin, let it dry out for a day or two, and just plant that on top of the soil. You're going to leave it on top of the soil and lightly cover, and it's basically the way nature works. Strawberries fall off the plant, rot on the soil, and regrow new plants. They do not fall into a deep hole and grow a new plant. That's just not how it works, okay? So just lightly cover the seeded skin, and then the seeds that I took off the skin, I'm just gonna rub it onto the moist soil and lightly cover that as well. All right, like so. So you can see there's a bunch of seeds in there, and just gently cover it up. It does not have to be an inch deep, 2 inches deep, a half an inch deep. It's just lightly covered, not even all the way. I'm going to add the seed tray in a Ziploc like this and close it. This is to create a high humidity environment. I'm also going to put this tray on a heat mat. If you don't have one, just put it in a warm place. I started these on May 9th, and on May 19th I had my first seedling. The other seeds are swelling up, so they will take another 2 to 3 days to start sprouting, but this is how you grow strawberries from store-bought strawberries. Hi guys, about a week and a half ago I posted a video showing you how to regrow strawberries from store-bought strawberries. What you will do is make a puree, allow the seeds to sink to the bottom. Any seeds that sink are viable. Any seeds that float will not grow into plants. I did one side with seeds that were still on the skin, and I did one side with the seeds that I collected that sunk to the bottom of the bowl. Okay, I did make a tiny mistake by accidentally putting the labels on the wrong side, and I put a little screenshot to show you I did this while I was putting the tray into the Ziploc. It's because I have a 2-year-old. I wasn't paying attention. Anyways, the seeds I collected sprouted beautifully. There's so many baby little seedlings, strawberry plants. And then the seeds that were still on the skin that I let partially dehydrate overnight for about a day and a half, didn't really grow much. But as you can see, if you take the steps to properly collect the seeds, you will get baby strawberry plants.